Have you ever wanted to turn your garden into a living masterpiece? Imagine waking up to walls draped in colorful, cascading flowers, scents so sweet they seem almost magical, and vines climbing to new heights. But here's the twist. These plants don't just sit pretty. They grow fast, climb high, and might even take over if you let them. Today, we're revealing the 55 most enchanting, fast-growing, and thrilling flowering vines and climbers you can add to your garden or containers. Get ready to dive into a world where color, fragrance, and nature's wild charm blend to create pure magic. You might just find yourself addicted to these garden beauties. Wisteria. Imagine clusters of purple, pink, or white blooms hanging down like grapes. This vine is a showstopper and is perfect for bringing that wow factor to your spring garden. Trumpet vine. Love bright flowers? Trumpet vine's huge, vibrant flowers will grab everyone's attention. But beware, this climber grows wild and free, ready to take over if you let it. Bougainvillea. When it comes to color, bougainvillea doesn't play. With warm hues like pinks, reds, and purples, it's perfect for warmer climates and blooms year-round. Honeysuckle. Nothing says, "Welcome to my garden," like honeysuckle. With a fragrance that attracts hummingbirds and butterflies, it's easy care and high reward. Passion flower. This is one unique beauty with exotic blooms and fast growth. Give it a trellis, and it'll bring wild tropical vibes to your garden. Clematis. Known as the queen of climbers, this vine comes in almost every color imaginable. Just give it sun and watch it transform your space. Bleeding heart vine. It may sound dramatic, but this delicate vine with glossy green leaves and white heart-shaped flowers is all charm and elegance. Carolina jessamine. Golden trumpet-shaped flowers that pop in spring? Yes, please. Perfect for fences, arbors, and trellises. False hydrangea vine. Want hydrangea blooms without the hassle? This vine offers the same gorgeous look with less effort. Perfect for partial shade. Cypress vine. With its red star-shaped blooms, cypress vine is a fast-growing tropical vine that loves to be in the sun. Blue sky vine. This vine is both drought-tolerant and pest-resistant, reaching up to 30 feet in no time. Perfect for those looking for low-maintenance beauty. Purple bell vine. Graceful and vibrant. This vine's bell-shaped flowers bloom all summer, adding that warm weather vibe to your garden. Firecracker vine. Bursting with red, orange, and yellow flowers, this vine truly lives up to its name. Crossvine. With bold orange and yellow blooms, crossvine is the hardy, low-maintenance option that'll climb anything in its way. Chocolate vine. Yes, you heard that right. With vanilla-scented, purplish-brown flowers, this vine even has edible seed pods. Cup and saucer vine. A tropical stunner with giant flowers that transition from green to purple, bringing a touch of paradise to your backyard. Hyacinth bean. Bright blooms and edible beans. This vine is functional and fabulous. Just make sure to cook the beans before eating. Nasturtium. One of the easiest vines to grow, nasturtium's colorful flowers thrive in full sun and will brighten up any container garden. Climbing rose classic and timeless. Climbing roses are perfect for romance and beauty in the garden. They love a good trellis. Mandevilla. With tropical red, pink, or white flowers, mandevilla brings a touch of paradise to any sun-soaked corner. Scarlet runner bean. Scarlet flowers and delicious beans. This vine is truly a garden gem. Corkscrew. Vine with spiral-shaped flowers in pink, purple, and yellow, this vine will add some exotic flair to your garden. Perennial sweet pea. With sweet pea-like blooms, this vine can reach 10 feet tall and withstands drought with ease. Moonflower. These large white flowers release their sweet scent at night. They're stunning, but watch out, they're toxic. Jasmine. If you love fragrance, jasmine's star-shaped flowers will fill the air with a delightful scent. Snapdragon vine. Pretty butterfly-attracting flowers in vibrant shades make this vine a favorite for colorful displays. Trumpet creeper. Orange blooms that attract hummingbirds with a touch of caution. It's toxic, so plant wisely. Climbing onions. These aren't your regular onions. With green shoots and small fall flowers, it's a unique garden addition. Hops great for more than brewing beer. Fast-growing with lime green leaves, hops can easily cover trellises. Black-eyed Susan vine. Vibrant orange, yellow, or red blooms that brighten up any space with their cheerful look. Clematis montana. This vine's abundant flowers will cover fences and walls with beauty and color. Silver lace vine. Golden feathery foliage and fast growth make silver lace a flexible option for sun or shade. Dutchman's pipe. With blooms that resemble old pipes, this vine is perfect for a quirky vintage garden vibe. Climbing aster daisy-like blooms that attract pollinators and bloom into fall. Plus, it's deer-resistant. Trailing snapdragon perfect for hanging baskets or pots, this vine's multicolored flowers attract butterflies. Kiwi vine heart-shaped leaves, and in some varieties, even small kiwis. It's the perfect fusion of fruit and foliage. Scarlet trumpet vine. Bold red flowers bring excitement to the garden, but watch out. It's a rapid grower. Clematis tangutica. Yellow bell-shaped flowers that thrive in sun or partial shade, needing very little attention. Clematis, Nellie Moser, rosy lilac flowers that bloom twice a year for extended color in your garden. Coral honeysuckle red flowers with yellow stamens that are simply irresistible to pollinators. Lady Banks rose, fragrant yellow or white blooms with no thorns, perfect for a spring display. Climbing fuchsia. Trailing stems and stunning flowers make it an ideal dramatic choice, even if it's not a true vine. Chocolate jasmine. With a mild vanilla scent, chocolate jasmine is easygoing and happy with some shade. Clematis Ville de Lyon. Magenta blooms that last all summer long. This vine gives you a late-season pop of color. Sweet potato vine. Whether you want lime green or purple leaves, sweet potato vine grows fast and looks fantastic. Vining morning glory. Classic blue or purple blooms that open in the morning and climb any trellis with ease. Climbing fig, a tough, shaded area-friendly vine that thrives on walls, fences, and trellises. Sweet pea vine. Colorful blooms with a lovely scent that quickly fill up any trellis in no time. Winter jasmine blooming in the cold months. Winter jasmine brings color to your garden even when others fade. Evergreen clematis. Year-round green leaves and white spring flowers make this a perfect evergreen option. Star jasmine. A fragrant, fast-growing beauty with white, star-shaped flowers that loves climbing walls and fences. Queen's wreath. Also called sandpaper vine. Its lavender flowers will blanket your garden with vibrant beauty. Coral vine. Delicate pink flowers and fast-growing tendencies make coral vine a garden favorite. Pea vine. Similar to sweet pea, but with a unique look and feel, perfect for adding subtle charm. Morning glory bush. A bushier version of morning glory, bringing blue flowers that don't stop growing. Ready to start climbing? With so many flowering vines and climbers to choose from, there's a perfect match for every garden, big or small. Just imagine the transformation, the beauty, the fragrance. So go ahead, add a vertical flourish to your garden, and let these plants take your space to new heights.